Are you struggling to find new nutrition coaching clients? In this video, we're going to show you some really effective strategies that can really potentially help you get new coaching clients as a nutrition coach. What's up, guys? My name is Coach Chris. I'm one of the founders and head coaches at Dynamic Fit Pros, where we help health and fitness professionals start, grow, and scale their online coaching business, okay? Just like we did with John Canlis, who is a registered dietitian. He went into our program. He started literally at $0, like making an online business, and he went to $4,000 per month, monthly recurring revenue with some of these frameworks that I'm going to show you in this video. So stay tuned. So step number one on how to get more online coaching clients as a nutritionist is optimize your guys' social media presence, okay? So basically, you could optimize your social media presence on so many different these what we call social media giants, right? Facebook, Instagram, it can be a podcast, it can actually be email marketing as well too. It could be YouTube, it could be LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok. There's so many social media giants out there, right? So pick your poison really, okay? Let's just say, for example, you wanna sit there and you wanna choose Facebook, right? There's billions of people on there. That's a great platform to be a nutrition coach. So how to optimize literally your social media presence on Facebook is use your guys' profile. Don't use a business profile, because basically that's a pay to play. You gotta dump money into that, right? When you're ready to be able to do that, then go ahead and create a business page. For right now, optimize your guys' profile page, because you get 5,000 people on that. You can literally sit there and post content, position yourself as the authority and go-to person as the nutrition coach, okay? Make sure that when you guys do this, right, the biggest thing is have that whole banner in the back. Have that made like on Fiverr or something like that shows who you help out, maybe some social proof on that picture as well too, okay? Because that's the first thing people come to when they see that piece of real estate on your profile, is they're like, man, that's the first thing that gravitates their eye. And if you sit there and position yourself as the authority on there and really kind of grab their attention, that's gonna be a great start for you for being a nutrition coach and having your presence on Facebook. And that's gonna be really a great opportunity to grab people's attention once they land on your guys' Facebook profile, okay? The next thing is make sure to have your guys' bio optimized too, kind of just showing what you guys do as a nutrition coach, maybe your USP, who you help out specifically, and then just make sure you guys have some really good content on there as well too, okay? Like again, it doesn't have to be this top-notch, high-quality, high-tech type of like, content on there, but make sure you guys have a really good mix of content on there, whether it's valuable, it's intentional, it's relatable, it's shareable, right? There's transformation pictures, there's basically, case studies on there. There's also posts on there that call people out in your avatar niche. There's value-based posts as well too, right? Just have an assortment of different content on your guys' profile. That's really how you guys optimize your guys' social media presence if you were to choose Facebook. If we were to talk about different social medias, that's a whole nother video. Step number two on how you can get more nutrition coaching clients is offer free workshops, right? It could be virtual, it could be local as well too, okay? So let's just say, for example, you pick local type of workshop. So if you're a nutritionist, go to gyms, right? Because most gyms don't have nutritionists in there. They're all just personal trainers, and they lack that competency and they lack that knowledge and skill set as a nutritionist. That's a huge leverage point advantage for you being a nutrition coach. Go to the gyms, try to partner up with them, see if you can host a free workshop on there that's going to be value-based, because that's going to be a win-win. They're going to be able to sit there and give more value to the people that are coming to their gym. It's going to be a win-win for you, because they're going to bring you the actual traffic, and you're going to actually have a place to be able to do the workshop. After that, most likely, since you are actually having the microphone and speaking and show your skills and knowledge, you'll be able to convert people that are local clients into your online program as well too. If you guys want to do a virtual workshop, there's a lot of ways to do that as well too, guys. You guys can simply go and get an Eventbrite account, right? And you can sit there and do a whole event on, let's just say, macro counting 101 or something like that. You guys can promote that on Facebook, Instagram stories. You guys can blast out to emails locally, however you guys want to do it. Just be super aggressive about the whole marketing aspect of it. Okay? Again, that's a whole nother video on how you sit there and market it, right, tactically. But you guys can give that link right there, get like 100 people to register for your virtual workshop on macro counting 101. And then after that, you do a soft call to action to working with you as a nutrition coach, okay? About probably, if you get 100 people in there, about 10 of those people will be serious enough to take you up on a phone call. You'll probably convert about 5 of those people, okay? That's a nice little payday right there for just a virtual workshop for 30 to 60 minutes on providing value on it, okay? And the third tip for you getting more nutrition coaching clients is just get out there and just network with more professionals, okay? Again, this is why we're so big on what we call hustling outside social media, because too many people want to sit there and have just this mirage where it's just like, man, I'm gonna do everything online. I'm not gonna ever have to sit there and interact with people. Like, just think about that. Like, how stupid is that? Like, why would you not sit there and interact with people in a 3 to 10 mile radius? It is so powerful, right? Why would you not want to sit there and become that go-to nutrition coach? I mean, do you want to be that person where you just hide behind a keyboard and, like you're a completely different person when somebody meets you in person? I don't think so, right? You probably wouldn't be watching this video. You probably wouldn't be a serious nutrition coach. So again, have an online presence, but have a local presence as well too, and network with other professionals, chiropractors, right? therapists, massage therapists. You guys can go to hair salons. You guys can go to people that are barbers, right? You guys can go to restaurants and try to recreate their menus, right? Their healthy menus because you're a nutritionist. There's so many ideas you guys can do in a 3 to 10 mile radius with all the businesses that are popping up these days, right? Especially if you guys are in more of like a metropolitan type of city and area. There's so many businesses, there's so many professionals that you guys can network with as a nutritionist and just be creative, right? The only thing that's gonna hold you guys back is your lack of creativeness and basically your lack of courage to go out there and meet people and actually network with other professionals to see how you could help them out with your skill set as a nutrition coach. So get out there, meet some people, and see how you guys can partner up somehow. You guys can serve the community within a 3 to 10 mile radius. Okay, so let's just recap these 3 steps right here that I just gave you on how you, the nutrition coach, can get more clients. Okay, the first one is optimize your guys' social media presence. Okay, it doesn't matter what social media platform it is. Make sure it's prime, make sure it's optimized, make sure you have consistent content so people know that you're showing up there so they can build the know, like, trust, okay? The second one is offer workshops, whether they're virtual or they are in person, okay? A 3 to 10 mile radius, or it's all online. The third step is network with other professionals, okay? Again, become that go-to celebrity status nutrition coach in a 3 to 10 mile radius. There's so many businesses around you guys. Just get out there, have the courage, shake some hands, see how it can be a win-win for you and the other business owner. And I promise you, you will get local clients and you can get into your guys' online programs, okay? My hope is you take this information and you take imperfect action so you guys can get more nutrition coaching clients. Now look, if you need some extra help, take us up on our free 6-figure roadmap coaching call. It's free, there's no obligations, leave your credit card at home. You guys aren't gonna stick your guys' hands in some black box and not know what it is. It could be a snake, it could be Skittles in there, something like that, right? There's not gonna be any of that uncertainty or fear, okay? It's us to really help you out, ask some questions around your business. What are the goals? What are the gaps? What's holding you guys back? What are the possibilities? And that's it, okay? So there's no reason for you to be fearful on jumping on this 6-figure roadmap call, okay? Now look, there is some qualifications on here. You do have to have at least 1 to 2 years of experience being a nutrition coach. The second qualification is you gotta be at least making about $2,000 per month, whether that's online or it's a hybrid style model that you have. The third qualification is you gotta have at least 5 paying clients that you're coaching, okay? So those are 3 qualifications. If you want some more help and you wanna take us up on this free 6-figure roadmap call, click the link below. We'd be happy to see how we could help you out with your nutrition coaching business. Other than that though, put these action steps into play and we'll see you guys in the next video.